When you search for Breville Milk Frothers, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what really makes a difference in frothing quality, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Lunafro Handheld Frother. The Lunafro handheld electric foam maker caught my eye with its sleek design and super affordable price of $24.99. If you want a quick and easy way to make foam for your lattes and cappuccinos without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This handheld frother is waterproof and features a detachable stainless steel whisk, which means you can easily rinse it off after use. It's lightweight and easy to handle, making it a great option if you're looking for convenience. With over 9,000 units sold in the past month, it clearly has some popularity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ease of use means you can make your morning coffee routine faster without any fuss. Just dip it into your milk, press the button, and in seconds you have frothy milk ready for your favorite drinks. Now, some people complained about the battery life. It does require batteries, which can be a hassle if you forget to stock up. Here's the thing though. If you're someone who values portability and simplicity over complicated machinery, this flaw might not bother you at all. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-fuss option for frothing milk at home. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a larger capacity or more features. For the price, you really can't go wrong with this one.
Product number 2, Aracino 3 Milk Frother, priced at $63.97. What caught my attention was its reputation for producing cafe-quality froth with just the push of a button. If you want that coffee shop experience at home, this is worth a serious look. This frother has a sleek black and steel design and can create both hot and cold froth. It's super simple to use. Just fill it with milk, hit the button, and in a matter of seconds, you have rich, creamy foam. The Aracino 3 can froth up to 240 milliliters of milk, which is great for multiple servings, or if you like to indulge in larger drinks. The ease of cleaning is another huge plus. You can easily rinse it out or toss it in the dishwasher. However, some users have mentioned that the frother sometimes struggles with thicker milk alternatives, like oat milk. Here's the thing though. If you primarily use regular milk or lighter options, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly frother that delivers great results every time. Skip this one if you plan on using heavier milk options frequently. For the performance and design, it's a good investment.
Product number 3, EcoFlarex 4-in-1 Milk Frother. Let's talk about the EcoFlarex Large Capacity Milk Frother, priced at $35.99. The first thing that caught my eye was its incredible 4-in-1 functionality. If you want versatility in your frother, this is worth a serious look. This frother has a generous 350 milliliter capacity for warming milk and can froth up to 180 milliliters, which is perfect for family breakfasts or entertaining guests. It operates at a rapid 7,700 RPM speed, creating silky smooth foam in just 120 seconds. The smart temperature control ensures your milk is heated to the ideal 65 to 70 degrees Celsius, preventing overheating. Plus, its whisper-quiet operation means you can enjoy your morning coffee without waking anyone up. But I have to be honest, some users reported that the frothing can sometimes be a little inconsistent with certain milk types. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to experiment a bit with different milks, you might just find the right combination that works perfectly for you. This is perfect for you if you often serve drinks for family and friends. Skip this one if you're looking for a compact or single-serve option. For the price and features, it offers excellent value.
Product number 4, PSI Dan Electric Frother. The PSI Dan Milk Frother and Steamer, which is priced at $56.99. I was drawn to its detachable stainless steel jug, making cleanup a breeze. If convenience and ease of use are what you want, this is worth a serious look. This frother can create hot dense foam, hot light foam, cold foam, and even just heat milk, giving you a ton of options for your drinks. It has a large capacity to froth up to 300 milliliters and heat 500 milliliters of milk, which is perfect for preparing multiple cups at once. The powerful magnetic frothing system ensures smooth and even heating, producing fine, stable foam that's ideal for lattes and cappuccinos. However, a few reviews mention that it can take a bit longer to froth compared to some competitors. Here's the thing, if you're okay waiting a bit longer for a delicious cup, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile machine that can handle a variety of drinks. Skip this one if you're always in a rush and need something faster. Given its features, it's a solid option for the price.
Product number 5, Breville Milk Cafe Frother, priced at $199.90. This one really stands out with its advanced features and sleek brushed stainless steel design. If you want the ultimate frothing experience, this is worth a serious look. The Milk Cafe uses induction heating for even heat distribution, ensuring your milk doesn't overheat while creating those tiny bubbles that make for the perfect froth. The machine has a measuring cap for adding ingredients while frothing, and it automatically turns off once your desired temperature is reached. Cleaning is a breeze since the jug is dishwasher safe. Now, the downside is that it comes with a higher price point. Some might find that steep for a frother. Here's the thing though. If you're a serious coffee lover who values quality and performance, this investment could be worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you're looking to recreate cafe-quality drinks at home. Skip this one if you're just looking for a basic frother. For its premium features, it's a great choice for serious enthusiasts.
So, to wrap it all up, the LunaFro is perfect for simple on-the-go frothing. The Aracino 3 delivers quality without fuss. The EcoFlarex offers great capacity and speed. The PSI Dan is versatile for various drinks. And the Breville Milk Cafe is the luxury pick for serious coffee lovers. Each has its strengths, so choose based on what matters most to you.